What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes to y'all with another how-to. Today we got a 97 Toyota 4runner. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and put in the double din. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. These are the type of things we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this thing. First thing you want to do is open up this, and this part is gonna come out. It is only held in by clips, so you may have to bring that up to get that off. We don't necessarily need to take those harnesses out. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, next we're gonna come right here. It's held in by clips as well. Just pop that thing right on off. Now, next thing we want to do is take off these little buttons. So now that we got that panel off, you'll see that there are some Phillips head screws that's holding this together. Though there's one right here. You only need the ones that's holding the black. So you might have one right here. He does not, for whatever reason. So we don't have to take this one out because it's already gone, but we do have to take this one out. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we got that out, we're just gonna come down here. Wow, whole thing just kind of pops off. Stay like that. All right, so you have a Phillips or 8mm bolt that you have to take out. Two on the top, two on the left, two on the right. In order for us to get a little bit of leeway, I'm gonna take some more of these harnesses out. There's two up here. All right, so now that we have all those harnesses taken out, all the screws out, we do have that factory radio. Now let's head over here to the test bench so we can get our dash prepped. All right, y'all, so we out here. We're about to take the factory brackets off of this radio. Now, usually you can just use the factory brackets with this. So even though there is a dash kit that we can use, I got a funny feeling that we can use factory bracket and everything will just look how we want it to look. So I'm actually going to try that first, because if that works, guess what? You guys don't have to buy a dash kit. So I'm actually going to just take this factory bracket. It has an R on it, so we know it's going on the right side. And if you look on your radio, sometimes you'll see a T. T stands for Toyota, N stands for Nissan. The TN means that it will go for both Toyota and Nissan. So I'll try the first T, which is this one right here, and even though those top two go right there, that little part doesn't have a hole to go into. If this was to work, then I could just fold that to make it flat, but we don't want to force anything, so let's just do it in the other one, in which this one works perfectly fine. So I'm gonna actually put my screws into that one, and we're gonna stick this in the car and see how it looks. All right, guys, so here we are back inside the car. Two screws on the left, two screws on the right. I am pretty confident that we can just use this without any type of dash kit. If this is your first time here, you're probably wondering, man, why didn't you go over the wiring? Well, here at this channel, we like to keep everything short, sweet, straight to the point, and I just feel like going over the wiring every single time I do one of these videos is just gonna add an extra 5 to 10 minutes per video. So what I did is I made one video that showed you guys how to wire up a CD player. I go over the different wire colors, what they mean, different connections, and all that type of stuff. That way, for people who know how to wire up a CD player, you get what you need in the radio removal, and the people who don't know how to wire up a CD player, you get what you need in the radio removal, and you get a secondary source teaching you how to do things yourself. So a lot of other people say, man, every car is different. This is true, every car is different, but as long as you know the aftermarket wire colors, you will be able to install pretty much anything yourself when it comes to this type of situation. Now, for people who want to be a further supporter, we do have that Patreon link down in the description that will give you access to some behind the scenes stuff, all the wire colors and diagrams. Also, you get chances to win free car audio stuff because I just want to help give back. That's in the description. Links to the products that I've used in this video are also in the description. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing put in, and let's see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Everything looks good. It comes in flush, real nice like. So yeah, man, no dash kit required for this. If you guys found any type of value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment if you want to. All the links will be in the description. If you want to be a further supporter of the channel, then that Patreon link is in the description as well. Till next time, it's your boy JP, signing out.